Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this stitch. You can use it for your beanies, brims or cardigans, sleeve or maybe your jumpers. You can use it almost anywhere. You can even make a blanket with that. And it's so simple, so easy. I really like it very much and I want to share it with you. And I want to show you an invisible joining. That's the joining point. Okay. And I hope you like it. I used 5mm hook. Okay. If I could show you, yeah. I used 5mm and 8 hook. And this yarn, it's basket yarn. It's a discount yarn. It's 140 grams. There's nothing else on it. And it's size 4 yarn. I think it's a little thicker size 4 yarn. But it's not important. Of course, you can use it with any yarn and hook. I want to make a beanie with that stitch, but it's almost summer, so we cannot make it right now. Times are flowing really so fast, because I want to make it at least 4 weeks ago, but I couldn't find the right time, and it's not right also, but I want to share it right now. And if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Start with a slip knot. Chain 11. You can make these chains as long as you want. If you want to make it thicker, you can make more chains. Skip this first chain. Starting from the second, insert into this back loop. Make a single crochet. And into same loop, insert and make one more single crochet. That's our increase. Keep going and make 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can have more or less chains, just leave these last 2. We will make a decrease here. How to make it? Insert into this stitch, back loop, and insert into the next one's back loop. Grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. There's a decrease, but there is one more way to make it. I will show you right now. Chain 1, turn. You can put a stitch marker here. That means every time we see this stitch marker, we will make a decrease. And this side without stitch marker, we will make increases. We will use back loops from now on. Okay. Second way is like that. Insert into the back loop of the first stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. Insert into the back loop of the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. I have 3 loops. yarn over, pull through. That's also a decrease, but I like to use the other one, so I will make it like that. Insert here and insert into the next one's back loop. Grab the yarn, pull through. Don't make it too tight, just leave it loosely. Make a single crochet. Now make 7 single crochets. Back loop only single crochets, of course. Seven. I have 1 loop left. Insert here, make 2 single crochets into same place. Chain 1, turn, and into this first back loop make 2 single crochets again. Make 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have 2 loops left. Make a decrease again. Chain 1, turn. Start with a decrease. Make 7 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into this last stitch make 2. Chain 1, turn and repeat. Make 2. Make your single crochets, 7 single crochets for this spectacular for this piece. Sorry, I will leave 2 here because that's the degree size. Make a decrease, chain 1, turn back, and make a decrease again. Now I will just keep making like that as long as I want. If you are following a pattern, just make it this pattern's needs, or wrap it around your head, and if it fits then it's okay. Then I will show you how to join this 2 part without a seam. I will make it and turn back in a few seconds. I made this piece bigger. As you see, that's my starting tail, and that's the finishing point. They are opposite to each other. I will put these 2 like that. Okay, I will join them now. Insert into this first stitch. Grab this yarn, pull through, make a chain, insert into the same stitch and into this back loop from this back part. Insert from the back loop, grab the yarn, pull through, make a slip stitch. Insert both loops, back loop, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Both loops, back loop, make a slip stitch. Keep joining. It's so simple. I like to make different brims or ribbings. That's a nice idea, I think. Or you can make a full beanie with this stitch. Make this thicker, then join, then sew it from the upper part, and that's a beanie. You can use it like that. And that's the last one. I made a slip stitch, and when I turn it, it will look like that. No one could find the joining point. Okay? And starting from here, you can make single crochets from each stitch and put your start your stitch into the next, from the next row, and you can make your beanie or maybe jumper like that. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Siri's Crochet is my Instagram and Pinterest and website address. You can reach me any of them. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.